If you want to protect the interior of your four-door Wrangler, today we're going to be installing these Smittybilt black neoprene seat covers into our 2008 JK Wrangler. These Smittybilt neoprene seat covers are constructed out of the same material that wetsuits are made of. This means that it will be durable against any stains or water, mud, basically anything that you can throw at them. These are going to fit all 07 to 2012 JK four-door Wranglers and give you everything that you need to get them snapped into place. They include all 4 headrests as well as front and rear seat covers. So let's get them installed in our 08 Jeep Wrangler, see how they look. Alright guys, so as you can tell, we've already got some TMI upholstery in our JK Wrangler. This interior is absolutely awesome. It's a leather finish, plus it looks really great. Now, we want to protect our investment and make it last as long as possible, so we're going to throw these Smittybilt covers on. We're going to start with this upper piece. Let's get to it. First thing that we're going to do is pull this headrest off. Now to do so, you have to push on either side. This is going to be on the outer side. Just push them in, push the headrest straight up, and it'll pop right off, and we can set that aside. Now we're going to take the upper piece and make sure that the map pocket is towards the rear and just slide it from the top down. Pull that Velcro open. You're going to have to work with it a little bit. It's meant to have a tight fit. Now Smittybilt also includes a set of these headrest covers. That way the headrest is protected the same way that the rest of your seat would be. So to slide these on, just get it on the curved side, and that's going to be towards the front, and we'll just pull it right over. See, it fits really nice. No gaps around there. Now we can put it back onto the seat. Now, one trick to get this Velcro attached to secure this top piece on is to actually tilt the seat back, push this in between the 2 pieces of foam, and then attach it from the rear. So just simply tilt the seat backwards. That'll give you some more space. And then just get that started underneath. On the back side, you're gonna have the other half of the hook and loop. Now, since we have some aftermarket seats here, this actual leather piece comes down farther than a factory seat. So this won't go all the way through. However, if you have a factory seat, it'll shove right through. It looks really clean in the back still. And for the front, we just tucked it underneath and it hooked on some of that factory hook and loop inside the seat. For the lower section, you're gonna wanna make sure that you grab the side with both of the notches for this driver's side. That'll be the seat height adjuster as well as the reclining knob on there. So grab this side, and this is gonna go towards the outside. Then just pull it up from the front towards the back. At the back, you're gonna have some of these buckles that'll slide in between both pieces of foam. It's a little bit tighter to do this. You have to just work at it. Now these straps right here are attached to the front end of the bottom of that seat cover. You're gonna pull those underneath the seat, hook it to that buckle, and then pull it tight with this adjuster strap. That we're gonna do 2 on the front with those. Then for this one here, it's a little hook and loop that goes right underneath the seat. Get that hooked up to the other side. It's pretty simple, however, it's super hard to see. You just have to reach this underneath and feel it, it'll work fine. After you've got all those straps connected, repeat the exact same process on the front passenger seat. So we can't forget about the rear, we gotta cover that as well. Smittybilt includes the rear kit, so we're gonna start with this smaller seat on the driver's side. Now what we're gonna do is grab the top section of it. You'll see that it attaches with some Velcro. Now with the rear seat, the headrest won't pop off, so it has Velcro on here to slide over. And then underneath, it's the same way as the front seat. You just have to tuck it underneath and then strap it down. You'll notice on this, the way to orient it is to have this little hole right here. That's gonna be for that release so you can fold the seat down. Let's slide it on, get it installed. Now pull it up over. I'm gonna release it a little bit so it can actually come towards me. Okay. Make sure the headrest pops right through. Now for this side, I'm gonna get it over that corner. Start working it down. And once you have that attached, you can hook this Velcro up top underneath the headrest, gives it a nice clean look. Underneath, like I said, this flap with this smaller section is going to pull through. And then also on the front, you'll know when it's aligned because you'll be able to fit your pull strap right through there. So see, they even give you the provisions there to have that pull strap out. The headrest is going to slide on the same way the front did. Let's throw that on as well. So now we're going to put the lower section on, grab that piece, and it's going to be the same as the front, just sliding it over and then going underneath and clipping it on. Once that's all clipped in, we're going to move on, do the other side, and that'll complete your install. All right guys, well, that's a wrap. We've got these Smittybilt neoprene seat covers installed in our 2008 JK Wrangler. It takes overall about an hour to get them installed. You don't need any tools to get this done, and they give it a really durable finish on the inside of your JK. This is going to protect you from any mud or debris getting on those nice seats and last the lifetime of your vehicle. You can find these seat covers as well as many other great parts for your JK and JL Wrangler right here at cjponyparts.com.